Oh my goodness. I was talking the whole time on mute. So again, guys, again, let me give you a quick reintroduction. All right. So what is going on, guys? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So I'm back now with the charts. Overall, it was a very busy day. So this is just a recap because I was on mute a while ago and I was talking like almost 2 minutes. All right, so let's proceed with the chart, guys. Going back to crypto bubble here, we have MKR and QNT. These two has been mentioned in my past streams that the cryptos that you need to watch out. Also, we have Casper here showing up 2.8% today. Oh, this is hourly. This is hourly. So let's check the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we have HT, we have AVAX, we have Matic. Watch out for Matic. I've shared one chart earlier on my Twitter account. It's about to break out from that resistance trend line. Also, we have AVE here. I'm going to show you the chart later on and the possible targets. Fear and Greed Index. Let me actually pull up my monitor so I can check if we have some chill traders who are still awake and watching the stream. Fear and Greed Index still on the same level, same as Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been consolidating on the same level for almost 2 months. I have a lot of Welcome, guys. Welcome to the live stream. We have a new destination. Hi, Chill. Have a great day. We have also Ray France Apilas. Welcome, guys. Let me decrease my volume here. All right. We have also Andres Jaworski. Welcome to the stream, bro. No sound, Chill. Canal unmuted. The Millionaires. As usual, no sound. First time after I think the last stream was 4 days ago. So after 4 days, I greeted you with a muted video. We have also Utubawe. Oh my god, man, you still have this issue. Zenbatsu and Maita Martina. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream. So let's move on. Let's move on. Again, Fear and Greed Index almost on the same level because Bitcoin has been hovering on the same level, support and resistance, and a little bit of liquidation last week about the CPI report. That was around 8.2 if I remember it right. So 8.2, higher than expected. We had some volatility and some liquidation grab. But if you have been watching the chart, that was a very good long entry point. Touches our major support. Most of our chart, I'm gonna check it today. Most of our charts, I have been updating most of the charts in our VIP. Most of the long entry point was hit during that liquidation grab. I was busy with the event. I wasn't able to trade for the past week. I have some safe positions, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polkadot, ADA. Those are the safest for me to trade. So I didn't trade much of some of the micro caps, but we have some very good entry points that was hit in the previous week and previous days. Long and short ratio here, past 5 minutes, we have a BitFinex mostly are in long, 92%, and DYDX showing up here at number 8, 68 percent, and BitMEXC 68% the past 5 minutes. So let's check the amount of liquidation in the past 24 hours. Also, let's check the volume here. In the past 4 hours, we have 57% long has been liquidated. These are small values here. $4.23 million. Let's check in the past 24 hours. Very low volume, because I think of the consolidation area for Bitcoin trading in range. 70% shorts has been liquidated. That was around $33.8 million. Let's check as well the order book, or one sec. Order book, let's check. In our order book, BTC USDT, this is BTC, so we have 19,900 and 18,800 is the highest here for the long position. 19,000, we have a lot in long at around Binance 9.63k, Bitcoin at around 19,000, and we have shorters here at around a total of 16,000 BTC at around 19,870. So later on, let's check these levels here. So for long, we have 19,200, and for short, we have 19,870. That's the level that we need to watch out. This is going to be a quick stream, guys. I'm planning to do a pre-recorded video for the chart alone, so we can cut the chase, and I'm planning to do a video that will gather more subscriber in the coming days and weeks. But of course, I'm gonna continue sharing the charts and update about Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. So rest assured, I will share with you if I have some very good entry points here. So again, let's proceed with S&P 500. So S&P 500, 200 moving average still holding as a support. Very accurate chart here. This was discussed, guys. This was discussed even before S&P 500 reached this level here. I was able to find this level by checking the weekly time frame. So if you're going to check the weekly time frame, this is the 200-day moving average. Let me find the indicator. Right. Let's change this to 200. All right, so if you're going to check the weekly time frame, this is the 200-day moving average, guys. All right, so here exactly the price, all the daily candle closes above this 200-day moving average, means that this 200 MA is still holding as a support for S&P 500. So this is still holding strong, and this is still trading within the range, guys. So the next possible strong resistance that I'm looking at for S&P 500, and you need to watch out for this level as well, because Bitcoin is moving the same as S&P 500. So the level that I'm watching right now is this R1 and R2 level here. So I'm expecting a stronger resistance on this level here, and possible if S&P 500 will get rejected on this level, we might see a correction as well for Bitcoin. Later I'm going to show you Bitcoin's chart and what will be the possible target for this short bounce. Overall, we are still in a bear market, but in a bear market, we are seeing a lot of bounces like this, and this is normal, guys. So we are not back in a bull market, but this is normal. Look at this. We have some drop here and a short-term bounce, continue to drop, short-term bounce, and again continue to drop. If you have been following me on this channel, November or the last quarter of 2022 will be my target for the possible bottom price for Bitcoin, and also for some of the altcoins that follows Bitcoin's move. So watch out for that, because if Bitcoin is going to drop hard, most of your altcoin is going to melt, right? So let's proceed, guys. So these are the levels. These are the levels that I'm watching right now. R1 and R2 will be the next resistances that I'm looking at. So these are the possible price action in the coming days and weeks for S&P 500. Let's go back to the daily time frame. I'm going to share this on my Twitter account. So if you are not following me on Twitter, and if you would like to get some of the updates of the charts in my stream, feel free to follow me. The link is on the description down below in all my social media account. I will be sharing most of the charts that was discussed in the stream on my Twitter account. S&P 500 chart update as per the latest stream. Let's keep it like that. All right, so let's proceed with Ethereum. Ethereum still holding this zone support. Again, this was a liquidation grab last time. This happened when the CPI report came out at 8.2, higher than expected. But of course, we have some buying pressure here that pushes the price back to our zone support and then back to its consolidation level. So if you're trading futures, guys, this small moves for Ethereum and the rest of the charts, like 5% move, is already a good amount of percentage to trade. And this kind of consolidation is also, you can do several swings here, swing trade in this channel. So we have here support, bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So almost 9 trades just within this channel. This remains valid until support and resistance is broken. So as of now, the same support and resistances. Here we have this level as the resistance up to this zone resistance here. This blue box area will be the next, or the maximum target, or the highest or the strongest resistance will be on this level for Ethereum. But overall, Ethereum, if you're going to check like the lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, this is still consolidating in between this level here. 1338 from 1 to 60, 1 to 40, this level, zone support up to this red line here will be the safest to short and long this range. But of course, you need to manage your own risk, because small moves can also liquidate your account without proper position sizing. So again, Ethereum still trading in range 1334. I'm still holding my long position, guys. Let me show you here on my Twitter account. So here I have ADA. I'm holding ADA. I'm still holding ADA. I have also my long position for Ethereum here. Entry price at 1,214. I have also my long position for Bitcoin at $19,000 and Polkadot at $5.83. All right. So going back to Ethereum, Ethereum is still trading on this range, guys. So possible long and short still on the same level. And that's what you can see. We have some rejection here for Ethereum at around 1336. So let's check if we can get the same price action. Eventually one of the support or resistance is going to break. So watch out for that. But of course, you need to limit your risk. Both long and short position, you can limit your risk by adding a stop loss just a little bit above the resistance or a little bit below the support here. All right, so just follow this trade here. And by the way, before we proceed any further, just a quick disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. Alright, so let's go back to the chart. Again, some of you have seen a lot of messages. Are we going up or are we going down? What's the next target? Again, guys, Ethereum is still on the same level, consolidation area, from 1267, 1250 up to 1336 area. And this will be invalidated if we see such a move like this. Breakout above, retest of support, or breakout below. As of now, we don't have daily candle closing above or below this consolidation area here. So this remains valid until some invalidation area like the support or the resistance has been broken. So here, if you see a breakout, then you enter short on a retest of support here. The next possible major support that I am looking at, if this 1250 area will be broken, will be at around $1,000 for Ethereum. But if we break above, then the next possible target will be the resistance trend line here. First, we have some zone resistance level from 1375 up to 1430. Maximum will be the resistance trend line here. And then if we are on this range, then we check the next move. Possible rejection at around this area. If this is going to break out above the resistance, and possible retest of support entry, short entry point here once we see a breakout of support. All right, so that's for Ethereum. Still the same chart. This has been consolidating for almost, my mic here is just all right, so going back, let me delete all of this so I can share the chart. This will be the invalidation area for Ethereum, guys. Possible breakout from the resistance or breakout from the support. So for now, this range is still valid. Let me share this on my Twitter account. ETH chart update as per the latest stream. Let's proceed to Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, guys, if you have been following this chart, this was already this has been posted like long time when Bitcoin was just trading on this rising wedge pattern. So previously I've shorted Bitcoin at around $24,000, $25,000, and right now I am still holding my long position in most of the exchanges. I have my long position in my BitGet account, in my here are all my accounts, by the way. and also the partners and affiliate of our YouTube channel. So I have most of my long position I'm still holding in my BitGet account. In my Gate.io, I have very good entry there. KUCOIN, I have also long positions in my MEXC and BTCEX account. So most of these accounts I'm trading for long term. So I have quite DC smaller positions. I'm trying to DCA long term, but overall I'm trying to catch the possible bottom here for long-term trade. Most of this other exchanges, but my major exchange, personal exchange that I'm using is still Binance. That remains the biggest exchange, and that is where I kept most of my portion of my trading account. All right. So going back to Bitcoin, here, as what you can see, Bitcoin has been consolidating in this area here from August 22 until now, almost 2 months of consolidation. And we have also here the resistance trend line. So what you can see, we have this resistance trend line. And right now, Bitcoin is poking this resistance here. So possible rejection, either from this point or a possible breakout from this level. We are still in an overall bear market, but look at this, guys. Let me zoom this out. In a bear market, we have several pumps along the way, and we have several short squeeze that happen during the bear market because we have some imbalances of short positions. And when we have a lot of shorts compared to long, and that is where the short squeeze happen. So like this one, we have a continuous drop here from November to January 2022, and then we have some recovery up to $48,000, and then continuation of drop here, huge drop from March 22 up to June 22. So this is a drop from 48,000 up to $17,000. We have some small consolidation along the way, but overall, this is a huge drop here. This is the wave C. So we have wave 1, 2. In Elliott wave, the longest wave will always be wave C, or wave 3 rather. So we have wave 3 here, possible bounce to wave 4, and right now we are still on wave 4 to wave 5 target. And in between these waves, we have also smaller waves along the way. So we're looking at the daily time frame. If you're trading, or if you're following Elliott wave, so in between this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have smaller waves in between. So if you're going to check the smaller time frame, we have also smaller waves that's going to happen. And here, if Bitcoin is going to break this resistance trend line, this one here, let me zoom out. Oh. Where's November? So if Bitcoin, guys, is going to break out from this resistance trend line, and if you're going to check the Fibonacci retracement level, if you're going to plot this as a swing high, and this one here, the wick, as a swing low, or let's consider this wick here, this wick as a swing low. The possible target of this will be the key level resistance. This will be the maximum bounce target for Bitcoin here. If we're going to follow this, let me just stretch it just until the last. Is it clear on your end? We have a lot of lines here, a little bit confusing, but this one here will be where I plotted the swing high and swing low for Bitcoin. So if this is the swing high and this is the swing low, possible retracement levels are this yellow lines. We have 38.2, 50%, and 61.8. And 61.8, look at that confluence right there. 61.8 is in confluence with our key level resistance. We have also key level resistance here at around 38.2. So this is, we have several confluences perfect with our Fibonacci retracement. Not only that, but also perfect here, perfect confluences with our chart as well. So if you can see, this key level resistance was the resistance for almost 50 days for Bitcoin here. See, we have some rejection here, rejection as well in this level. And let's check in the coming days, maybe tomorrow, if Bitcoin is going to break this, or are we going to get rejected on this area. I'm still holding my long position, guys, and I have taken some profit, 50%. Now I have adjusted my stop loss back to entry. In that way, I am now fully secured with my long position. If this will get rejected from the resistance trend line, then I have already taken 50% of the profit. Stop loss will hit back to my entry point. That's okay. But if this is going to break out here, then I will take another possible 30% at around this area, and 20% will remain moonshot at around 22,600. Don't get excited, because this is just the chart, or the TA, possible bounce is still possible. Short squeeze, because mostly remain a lot actually remains bearish for Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin. I have seen several videos. If you have seen the interview of Garrett Soloway in one of his here in Future Blockchain Summit, his worst case possible target for Bitcoin is 3,500. And I've seen several YouTube accounts that is saying below $10,000. I'm gonna stick with my own target here, and I still believe that Bitcoin is going to bounce long term, and for me it doesn't matter, because I still think that there is still a lot of potential, not only for Bitcoin, but of course the technology behind blockchain. I would like the decentralization, blockchain, and DeFi to succeed overall. Trading aside, I would like the technology to be successful. I'm working as a computer engineer, so I have been doing some programs and also some integration, blockchain payment, crypto payment. Also, I've done some Solidity programs. So I want the technology to succeed. I was in GATEIO Blockchain Summit, and of course we have some AI technologies there. We have the latest AI technology, if you can combine it with blockchain and decentralization. But of course there is a huge problem about that, because blockchain is transparent and government will likely to block or to be against the technology, because, you know, in my own opinion, it's hard to be transparent if you are. Most of the politician in some countries, it's hard to talk about politics, but overall, guys, going back to the chart, that will be my target for Bitcoin. And look at this resistance trend line. Make sure you watch out for the possible breakout and possible rejection at around 19,542 for Bitcoin. That was the green level here, and we have been in consolidation for almost 50 days for Bitcoin. So overall target for this, if you're going to plot the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high and swing low here at around $18,000, the 61.8 Fibonacci golden ratio will be around this key level resistance. But of course, we have also here the 50-day key level resistance for Bitcoin. All right, so I'm still holding my long. I have already taken profit at around this green line here, 19,600, 19,570 today. So my stop loss is back to my entry point, and all my positions are available on my Twitter account. Feel free to follow me. The link is on the description down below. And all right, so I think that's it for today. I'm going to share this chart on my Twitter account. I'm going to continue to update you on my Twitter and in most of my social media accounts. So thanks for joining me, guys. Thanks for joining me today. If you have enjoyed this stream, and if you like content like this, I'm going to continue to update you with the possible targets for Bitcoin, not only for this bear market. I'm going to be here for the next bull market. And right now I am accumulating not only Bitcoin, but also Ethereum, Polkadot. I have a lot of Polkadot. I still believe that Polkadot is going to be one of the strong movers in the next bull market. And I have shared some of the micro caps that I am looking at, and I'm doing my thesis about possible gems in the coming bull market. But right now, this is not the best time to invest, but that is just my own opinion. I'm sharing it with you, not a financial advice. I'm gonna share some altcoin or some micro caps that could potentially go 50 to 100x, but that is going to be in the near the next Bitcoin halving. But right now, most of the altcoin is going to get crushed. Most of the NFTs are down significantly from the previous levels during the bull market. So most of the influencers, most of the celebrities that FOMO'd into the NFTs are significantly down right now. So that is why always chill and just relax for the right entry point. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe, support the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.